Triarch Stalkers are a form of hexapedal combat walker utilised by Necron Triarch Praetorians in battle. Like an enormous mechanical spider, a Triarch Stalker looms over the battlefield with its multiple slicing limbs and devastating weaponry. Triarch Stalkers are often piloted by a high-ranking Triarch Praetorian and are primarily employed against enemy heavy armour and to provide close fire support to other Necron units. While the Triarch Stalker can mount a wide array of anti-infantry and anti-armour weaponry, it is most commonly employed as a dedicated tank hunter that roams far ahead of the main army. When a Triarch Stalker advances, it does so with a speed and subtlety that believes in a jerking gait. Indeed, it can cover all manner of terrain with a deftness of precision seldom found on the walkers of less advanced races, able to navigate dense jungle and mountainous terrain as swiftly and sure-footedly as open plains. Triarch Stalkers can easily outmaneuver more cumbersome tracked vehicles, the better to unleash their withering firepower against the thinner armour presented by the target's flank and rear. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.